Hi friends, welcome to Series Tree Tech News. Today we are going to discuss about if else if statements. If else if else statements. Like it is very simple since we learn if else conditions. Like if condition we will be writing and else block we will be writing. Let's say if this condition is failing, we will be writing in else block. So consider in else also we need to verify one more condition. That time instead of else block we will be writing else if and condition 2 and open curly brace, closed curly brace, and here also we can write else if condition 3 open curly brace, closed curly brace, and finally if we want to end up with just else, then open curly brace, closed curly brace. So whatever statements that we are writing here, it will be executed only when this particular condition is true. Whatever condition statements that we are writing here, it will be executed when this condition is failed and it come to here, and here it will be verifying this condition too, and it is true, then only it will execute. Let's say if this condition is true, it won't execute, it won't verify any of these conditions. It just executes here and it get out from here from to here. And let's say if it is failed, then it will verify this. If it is true, it will execute. If it is also false, then it will come here and it will check condition 3, and if condition 3 is true, then it will execute these statements. Consider if condition 3 also fails, then only it will come here to this else block and it will execute this particular condition. Hope you understood. Thanks for watching.